I'm thankful for EZVIZ.
So, how does it work? The fixed lens monitors a wide area, capturing any initial movements or intrusions. As an intruder approaches, the PT lens activates, automatically tracking their movement, ensuring you don't miss a thing. It comes with a human detection feature, so you will receive a notification instantly to your mobile whenever a person is detected. With the patrol mode, it comes with two options. 1. Automatic patrol, and 2. Customized patrol that allows me to set up to 4 points for tailored routes.